All right, now we have a culvert here that has a ton of neglect and it's holding up a good amount of water behind it. Let's get to work. This is a job for an excavator. There's so many sticks and roots in here that I might have to break. But I brought the axe with me just in case. So many roots. It smells really bad, the rotten debris. This is one of those jobs that's gonna put me out of breath again. Wow. I'm hearing dogs. Someone's dog's going nuts. The biggest neglect clogs are always in Massachusetts. Oh. Oh. A rock? It's a big rock. Freezing cold water too. I'm so out of breath from this. Oh, it's a big old rock, surrounded by so many roots. So many roots in there around it. Man, that water's just making me dirtier. Now we're finally getting somewhere. I'm running out of steam really fast on this job. Definitely getting a flowing thinner than it was. Oh, it's a really bad one. The thing I hate about Massachusetts is they're so underfunded. They're the only state. They will ignore you and hang up the phone if you report a problem like this. Every other state I've contacted, the problem is resolved in the next few weeks, if not that week. I can't believe the neglect here. Those roots took years and years to grow. That rock was probably put in here from the retaining wall of the last genius with an excavator. Rock did not get put there by nature. So I could tell this thing was like 2 feet deeper when it was created. This one took the breath out of me a lot, and it made me get covered in mud. Well, we got it dug down a bit. Look how big the flood is, guys. And I can tell you that clog wasn't always there. You know how I know that? Got some farmer's wall right here going right down into it. They wouldn't have built the wall down inside there. This area is flooded because it is culvert. Water in this place to support that water grass is probably only 2 feet deep. And that would line up with how deep the culvert is in the ground. It needs to be dug out properly, but in this state, unless it causes the road to wash out, they won't touch it. They wait for emergency money because they don't have the money to be doing this stuff, which is ridiculous. They wait for it to fail and cost so much more money. This is not one of the fun clogs at all. Not fun. So we definitely got it flowing a lot better. Oh, that's real dangerous. Look at these people. See this? Got rebar sticking out of the ground everywhere. See this? If I pulled over right here, I would have got a flat tire. You think this state's gonna pay for my tires? Really? You can't come out here with a shovel and cut it below grade? You just leave this messed up stuff everywhere? I'm so glad I didn't pull over on this side. Pulled over on this side. I hope I don't find that stuff. What negligence. Yeah, there's more flow. See this big pile of debris? This just got sent through there. It's enough for this today. It's getting dark and I'm exhausted. Ow! Prickers. Hope this video was interesting. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.